mean naughty. They're not listening me, and I am angry. So what should I do? How should I show my tolerance? Yes, yes, you are getting. You will help me.
What?
Should I beat them?
Huh?
Should I shout at the boys?
Yeah.
Should I also start shouting?
Yeah.
But I want to be like you. You are so cool. You are always like a tripping like a small sparrow, learning but showing patience and love. Whenever I see you and I think of you, I do feel very good. So why should I? Yes, dear. Yes, yes.
If I go to the doctor and then I shout and I go on the boys and then I say,
Thank you so much. You have made my day. Yes. Tolerance is a term. Yes.
She was giving me attention and really shout I'm there.
Yes. See, what I will do, I will show my patience. I will be very, very cool and gradually, I'll be telling them that we have to do this. If I will start shouting, if I will start behaving the way they are doing, then there is no difference between those naughty guys and me. So it means if the what other person is doing, start doing, then there is no difference. We should not answer bad act with a bad act. Always answer a bad with a good act. The way I have learned from you. You are so cool, good. And you told me in the beginning only, I'm always tolerate. Yes, Alhamdulillah. One thing more. Even if you don't tolerate somebody's behavior, you need to be tolerate a person itself. Yeah, dear Tehzeeb, you have some class fellow, those are the habitual of bullying or beating, na? Some is there anyone in your class? They are just naughty. They give tough time each other. Do you have anyone in your class? Tajib dear.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me, do you have any classmates, those who are very naughty, those have the habit of beating each other? Those you have? Did you think of that? Yes?
Whose sound is that?
You see, every class, everywhere in our society, in our around, even the when and at a home as well, some brothers or sisters are there. One is a habitual of somewhat naughty or jolly. He's a habitual of beating or some giving. Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes, Ceci.
Are you finished?
No, dear, I am not finished yet. Still, we have time. We have almost 8 minutes. Okay, dear. I will just. Yes, yes, yes. I want to listen you. What we should do?
Also 8 o'clock.
See, dear, we should not hate people. We should hate the bad things only. Okay, even if you don't like any person, it does not mean that you are going to going to dislike, going to put bad words. Okay, you have to tolerate. Either you like someone or you dislike someone. Like sometimes it happens we don't like someone's dress. Okay, we don't like someone's way of talking. Like someone is talking in another language, I do not understand. So I do not feel good. So that's the natural. Like we have our language, they have their own language. Yeah, like you have very fine hair, good hair. I like them. But some are there. You don't like their hair, their color, their way of talking, sitting, even their food you don't like. Though, so it means in all those things, either you like or not. You should show your love, affection, at least tolerance. Okay, this is the actual thing. But if anyone is bad to you, yes, you can. It does not mean always you are saying okay, no problem, no problem. You can tell your teacher or the head, anyone. But still, first thing is there. You have to show tolerance. That is very clear. When I started class, I was so confused that how will I teach you Either you will get the word tolerance or not, but you surprised me. Yes. Yes, dear, say.
It's okay, Miss Shema.
Oh, fine. You know the way you call my name is surprise. Okay. Dear, next. How to practice tolerance? Like here. Yes. Yes, dear. Yes, say. I'm there.
It's already 8 o'clock in my clock.
What? What did you say? I didn't get. Do you need anything?
I know, I'm listening.
Okay, listen to me.
Okay, dear. Dear C, tolerance should be put together with patience. Okay, tolerance and patience. These are two best friends. Who are two best friends? Like you, who is your best friend in the class? Do you have any best friend in your family? In your class, no one? In your family? In family?
Yeah, we have.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. You are good. You must be having so many friends. The same way, tolerance has a friend and its name is patience. Who is the friend of tolerance? Patience. Who is the tolerance friend?
Patient.
Patience. Good. And kindness. And one more friend is there, that is kindness. You can say patience also and kindness also. And never we can show our tolerance with patience and kindness, but we cannot show with anger, scorn, and indifferences. Like we are out of order, we are so scary. So I will say we can show tolerance with patience and kindness, but we cannot show this tolerance with anger, scorn, and indifferences. Okay, and here we go. I'm going to record your assessment again. Okay, I will record for you. So dear, you have to see answer. Fine. Yeah, it's going on. Dear, see, I have question. Dear, yeah, we can show practice our, we can show our patient tolerance. We can practice our tolerance with the patience and kindness, and but not with anger, scorn, and with bad behavior. I have a question now for you, and answer me in the way you did in the starter. What did you learn from the lesson? And did you learn anything?
Yes.
Yes. What did you? Yes, we learn tolerance has two best friends. It lives with them. They are kindness and patience. Tolerance has two friends. Name them.
Kindness.
And one more friend it has. Yes, exactly, mashallah. And but it has two some enemies also, some opponents also. Those are anger,
No.
hate, and bullying. It has some not, I mean, those are not friends, which the tolerance does not like anger, hate, and bullying. Yeah, do you know what is bullying, dear?
Yes.
Yes, then tell me what is bullying. Do you know what is bullying? Okay, fine. Good. See, you have done a good reflection. I'm going to mark for you, then I'll be back. Okay. So let me mark for you.